If you search how to buy shares of ClearOne Inc., this short guide will walk you through the basics. ClearOne makes professional audio and video collaboration systems and is traded on NASDAQ with the ticker CLRO. This information is educational and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker CLRO to locate ClearOne. Confirm you select the listing that identifies ClearOne Inc. on NASDAQ. Open the asset page to view basic company information and a price chart for CLR. Check the company name and exchange to confirm this is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before completing the purchase. After the trade is placed, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.